Hi there. Welcome to the future of post-dated check management. Managing multiple accounts across different businesses shouldn't be a full-time job. That's why we've centralized your entire payment ecosystem into one powerful dashboard. Simply select your business and toggle between multiple bank accounts with ease. Ready to streamline your workflow? Let's issue your first payment. Head over to the Invoices section. You can add them individually or use our bulk upload feature. Once uploaded, our smart validation engine takes over. If a supplier is already in your database, we'll match them automatically. If not, we'll create a new record for you. To pay, just select your invoice and hit Issue. Enter the check number, pick your preferred date, and click the Issue Check button. It's that simple. You successfully made your first payment. A green checkmark next to the invoice confirms your success, and you'll see the transaction reflected instantly on your check screen and live dashboard. Tracking your payments is just as easy as making them. Click the View Notes icon to see everything in motion for a complete audit trail. When you're ready to issue, select the print icon to generate a perfectly formatted check layout. After you've handed the check over, you can update the status right there in the app. Don't forget to use the Notes field for any future you reminders. Finally, once the transaction hits your bank, you can mark the check as cleared or bounced with a single click to keep your dashboard perfectly in sync. This is the future of business tracking. Simple, predictable, and hassle-free. We don't stop there. Our goal is to simplify your workflow so you can concentrate on growing your business. That's why we've introduced batch payments. Simply select multiple invoices and hit the Issue button. You can assign check numbers to each invoice and choose to process them all for a single date or distribute them across multiple dates for better cash flow management.
And that's it.
High-volume payments handled in seconds. And you'll see all the transaction reflected instantly on your check screen and dashboard with calculated balance. To simplify and save time on your payments, select a specific vendor and use the Club feature to merge all their invoices into one streamlined transaction for a faster reconciliation process. Fill in your final payment details as usual, and with one click, you've settled multiple invoices in a single transaction. Efficient, organized, and simple. While other apps just process payments, we lead the way with predictive forecasting, alerting you to potential shortfalls before your scheduled payments are even processed. Making payments shouldn't feel like a chore. Start typing the invoice number to see a list of unpaid items. Selecting one will auto-populate the essential details for you. Just fill in the remaining fields and hit Save. The system offers equal flexibility for diverse financial workflows, whether you are handling physical currency or digital transfers. This unified approach applies to cash, cards, and electronic funds transfers (EFT). The architecture of our platform ensures that every transaction reflects on your dashboard within a second. This isn't just about speed. It's about providing you with a live stream of your financial ecosystem. By eliminating the traditional settlement lag, we help you, allowing you to reinvest in inventory, marketing, or R&D without waiting for end-of-day reports. Our commitment to your business goes far beyond the surface-level metrics. Understanding where you stand shouldn't be a guessing game. Our reporting engine allows you to pinpoint exactly which sectors are fueling your revenue, compare current cycles against previous periods to measure genuine year-over-year progress. Seamless exports. Generate and download high-fidelity reports in industry-standard formats. We don't just stop at simple tracking. To truly streamline your operations, we offer a suite of advanced business functionalities like recurring payments, custom budgets, and smart reconciliation. We believe that a professional interface should be as comfortable as it is functional. You can customize your theme that suits your style.
Thank you.